Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Fivetran for ELT connections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Fivetran for ELT connections, start by logging into your Fivetran account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the connectors section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Connector to begin the setup process. Choose the data source you want to connect to from the list provided. Fill out the required fields to set up your connector. You will need to enter specific authentication details for your data source. This may include API keys, usernames, and passwords based on the data source selected. Refer to the documentation specific to your data source for detailed authentication requirements. After entering the necessary credentials, review the settings for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Save button to initiate the connection. Fivetran will now test the connection to verify the authentication details are correct. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If there are any errors, double-check your credentials and configuration settings. Once authenticated, you can set the frequency for data syncing. Choose the sync frequency that best fits your data needs. After setting the frequency, save the connector configuration. You can now monitor the status of the connection on the dashboard. If you need to make changes later, return to the Connectors section. Select your connector to edit or update the settings as needed. Your Fivetran authentication setup for ELT connections is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.